Hello, folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. Another important thing I would like to discuss. So the topic is today how to find condition table within condition record. So condition record means like it is VK12 or VK13. Okay. Based on that, by using how you can able to find the condition table. Generally, what happens? You maintain your business requirements in the form of condition tables. That condition tables you will maintain by using condition technique in access sequence. The access sequence you will maintain to the your what I would say condition type, and you will call them, right? So but it is a laborious process. What is the disadvantage with this process? Let me explain you. Okay. I can able to so probably what should I do? Okay, let me open Excel. So if you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. I have a couple of pricing courses. I'll show you. So let's check this first quickly. Let's come here. Okay, if you see this, I can say that. So let me show you. So this is cost material. Okay, or else sales org price list. Okay, so I have this combination is there. For example, let me copy here. So I assume that you are running a huge project. You have these many key combinations are there. Okay, with the same description. Assume that it's a mistake from some other side or something. So this is the list. In this list, how would you find that once you condition record is maintained, first one or second, it is very, very difficult. And if you go to v/07 also, so maybe you have a tables like this. Okay, maybe it starts with 201 to 202 like that. Okay, let's assume so these many tables are there. Which table it belongs to? It's a laborious process, especially if you are working in support projects. So that's why you have to learn minute things very clearly. So I assume that this is 401. Okay, so this is 402. So I'm just showing two key combinations. Okay, so it's difficult. Which one is you supposed to maintain? But I have solution. Quick tip for you. Okay, you can check this one now. So but I'm not maintaining those many key combinations, but you can able to give a try maintaining with the same description, and you can try in a VK12. So let me show you how it works. So let's go to the VK12. Okay, maybe let me show you PR00 first. Okay, so guys who got introduced to pricing, without this you cannot able to. This is for base price. For example, this is the material. Okay, I'm selecting. Okay, here this is the material or else multiple materials, it doesn't matter. So if you select this, okay, if it is single, then if you don't select also it will work. If you select this, if you don't select also it's fine. So this is the called key. Okay, you can able to find this is the 004 table it belongs to. Okay, there is another method. Okay, so simply go to extras and click on key. Either way you can able to find the same 004 table. This is how, these are the two ways you can able to find it out. Okay, so let me show you for your confidence. Let me put it MWST here. Okay, so let me choose a couple of key combinations. Okay, so departure and destination country, let's click here. So maybe run this. Okay, let's select this from India to India. Okay, let's click on key. So this table is 078, previously something different. Okay, so come back. So in the similar way, so let's go to the key combination again. Let's try to check domestic taxes. This might belongs to another table, right? If another key. So you cannot able to maintain multiple key combinations for single table, single requirement. Okay, that is meaningless. So if you check this here, so it is very slow. I don't know, something is happening. This system, people crash like anything. Okay, it's very difficult to show anything. So I have taken this access. So see, this won't take this much long time in ACC also. Okay, so let's go to the extras and click on key. You can see this table is 002, or also you can click on T. This is how it is very, very important. Certain times you might have chances. uh, Build some logic based on your condition records. Then you have to help your ABAP. Okay, play the pricing just like that. Okay, if you really want it. So if you wanted to become a good consultant in SAP SD, so learn pricing. That's what the intention is all about. So rise your skills. That's what matter is all about. If you can see this, I have a couple of pricing courses. This is pricing more than 2000 plus students. If you really want, the prices will be low in a week, sometime like Monday, Tuesday, or less. Deals will be there. It won't be this much cost. You will get it 500. I'm just providing these links below of my description box, and this is for advanced level of your pricing concepts. Like, S4 HANA screens, I have developed this one. Okay, I have a dedicated so the pricing has a huge, never-ending, unending scenarios. So that's why I have created it as separate courses, but still pricing, it is available here also. If you want, you can give it a try. So this is, okay, my S4 HANA new course. If you really want, you can give it a try. If you want support help, I have done a couple of courses. This is for incidents, okay? So like, 20, I think around some this course, and this is around support process is also explained in YouTube. 18 incidents will be there. Okay, and here also some more, and these two, this is like, part 1 and part 2. You can give a try. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session, and wishing you all the best. This is in VK12. Similarly, the key you can able to check in VK13 also. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much. Have a great day. All the best. Jai Bharat.